morning, guys. Happy Sunday fun day. You can almost see the mountains. You can already smell the mountains. We're here, San Mateo. So you guys will have an idea. Okay, there, Timberland. Over here, look at so many bikers. Okay, good morning, guys. Another Sunday fun day. So we're here at our favorite spot. Good morning. Rin has arrived. So I think he will just rest, and I'll stretching and prepare my bike. And now it's just 6:05. So the sun is just over the horizon, and we'll be seeing you on the trails. This is the start of our Sunday fun day. And I'm already tired. I think we're going to climb Shotgun Trails, one of the most dangerous biking place here. So baguhan na mga biker, babala. Okay, it means warning. Guys, good morning. We're in the trailhead. In my front is Dax. Okay, so look at this bike. It's an amazing piece of work. We're back on the trail. Oh, it's so Ooh. So anyway, napag-usapan namin ni Dax na regarding sa mga technology. As humans, not that we want to have the best and the latest things, but para sa amin ni Dax is yung mga technologies like an update to our brain. Parang may matututunan kang bago. Like this one, I'm trying to be a vlogger, and then as usual, your first audience are your family, so as much as possible, I put it in a family context. No swearing as much as possible. And, you know, the works. Kasi, fans ko yung mga anak ko eh. So anyway, pag-usapan namin ni Dax yung mga technology. Ever since na magkakilala kami ni Dax, lahat ng bago meron siya. Lahat sinusubukan, lahat may kinukuting-ting. So hanggang siguro napuno na yung garahe niya ng ilang toneladang bakal. We're here at the Montalban, Rizal. Good morning, guys. Sunday fun day. So here we are at our new place. This is the quarry. So as you can see, my friend Dax over here. So this is a nice place, but unfortunately it rains so much that we cannot pass through this river. So it's really flooded because as you can see here, it's unrideable. Maybe here we can see some forages. So okay, so here's my bike. Bigat. Okay, adventure. Nice. Whoa. loose eh. Woo. Okay, we're here. You could say it. It's kind of not advisable to. Oh my god, I think I'm going to fall on this muddy putty. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, clear. Muddy putty averted. Okay guys, good morning. So we're here at our first trail spot. So here, so nice. I'm here with Docs, and as you can see, I got the new Camelback Skyline. My review here is it's very nice. They all put back what I have in my old Camelback Lobo, but now it's much more space. As you can see, I'm a vlogger, so riding a mountain bike and having a drone. So it's a good thing that there's a space here for us to put our drone. And then, as you can see, ta-da! My butterfly. Okay, so we're getting ready to fly it. So, okay, see you. So, ready for flight. Okay, so we will explore this horizon going to there, and I hope we can see how far this drone can travel. Okay, wish me good luck guys. Tapos na ang ating drone session, so we'll go to another sweet spot to fly drone and explore more. So see you then. Heading back. A little muddy, but it's alright. Okay, nakatakas na kami. We're on the end of our spot here, and I think it's hard to play drone here because it's so hot. Okay, unless we will bike this delikado, malalim sa kabila. Never mind. Let's go home. Okay. I'm having a cramp in my feet. So anyway, let's let me go now. Woo! Downhill. So this is the sum of all. So we're going home. We're going back to our parking place, and as you can see, this is just the breeze. So anyway. This concludes our ride for today. Truly is. It's another Sunday fun day, so I hope you enjoy the show. And please subscribe and like my videos. So if you have any comments and suggestions, you can write down on below the screen. And have a safe day. Stay safe and ride safely. Okay, goodbye. Anyway, I'll give the review for the Camelback. It's a small and compact bag, but you can store a lot of things like this one. Drone remote control or sea drone. And I put my cell phone here. Then look at that space. This drone, and then in the top, this is where I put my battery, extra battery, mount. Whew. And this is the drone. You can see, perfect. Stay there. So I like the new Camelback Skyline lowrider. It exceeds my expectation. And look at that, we still have a leftover show pound. So anyway, thumbs up for Camelback Skyline. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm back in the car. The bike is still getting washed, so ito na. It's time to go home. I enjoy my Sunday fun day, and I hope you would enjoy my little show. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you need to know something. Stay safe, ride safe. Have a nice day.